everyone, and welcome to 2026LONGZE machine. Today is 11 August. We are working on our client's order 3-ton, 5-ton, and 10-ton power making a production line.